विद्या प्रसारिणी सभा पुणे अंतर्गत संचालित श्री विद्यावर्धिनी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूलच्या वार्षिक स्नेहसंमेलनानिमित्त यंदा रामायण या थीमवर सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. बालगंधर्व रंगमंदिर येथे आयोजित करण्यात आलेल्या या कार्यक्रमात साधारण 500 विद्यार्थ्यांनी श्री रामायणाचा बहारदार सोहळा मोठा दिमाखात सादर केला. विद्यार्थ्यांची कलाकृती पाहून आलेल्या पाहुण्यांसह शिक्षक व पालक देखील भारावून गेले होते.
It is a moment of great joy and pride for us to be present today at this auspicious annual day celebration and prize distribution ceremony of Vidyavardhini English Medium School. To start with, I pay my tribute to the pious soul of Dr. G.V. Shingre Baba for his tremendous contribution to VPS, and even today his blessings transcend from the heaven to the earth to see the progress of the various branches, and Vidyavardhini was his favorite, and he had special love and attachment towards Vidyavardhini English Medium School. Today the name and fame of Vidyavardhini has received its height due to the sincere efforts of all the teachers, staff, and especially our beloved and able principal Mrs. Renu Sambale Madam. Her inspiration and guidance has led the teachers to excel in their work and receive many awards.
Tribute to late Dr. G.V. Shingre, whom we fondly call as Baba. Sir was a visionary and pioneer in education. His special affection, selfless contribution, dedication, passion, and love for the Vidyavardhini English Medium School and Junior College has left an incredible mark on our institution and our lives. I take a moment to honor the memory of Dr. G.V. Shingre, whose legacy continues to inspire us. Thank you.
श्री राम जन्म महोत्सवापासून त्यांचे गुरुकुलमधील शिक्षण, सीता स्वयंवर, राम सीता लग्न सोहळा, वनवासामधील अनेक प्रसंग, शूर्पणखा, शबरी माताची ममता, सीताहरण, जटायू, श्रीराम भक्त, बजरंगबली हनुमान, श्रीराम सेतूचे निर्माण करून रावणवध आणि श्रीराम सीता व लक्ष्मण यांचे अयोध्या आगमन आदी रामायणातील महत्त्वाचे सर्वच प्रसंग संगीतमय कलाकृतीने विद्यार्थ्यांनी साकारले होते.
mesmerizing. We all were very awestruck. It was magnanimous. It was superb. It was spectacular. All the participants, they have done their hard work, their devotion, their synchronization, arts, music, the backdrop, the drapery. Everything was really very excellent. I really congratulate the whole team of Vidyavardhini, their mentors, the students, and everything for a superb act. It will really remain in our hearts for years to come. And I want to declare a prize from my side to Vidyavardhini's team. 3 cheers to Vidyavardhini.
आज विद्यावर्धिनी शाळेच्या स्नेहसंमेलनाच्या निमित्ताने मला इथे यायची संधी मिळाली आणि माझे सहकारी शेणकर सर, पर्यवेक्षिका फेंगसे मॅडम, संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष मॅडम, मुख्याध्यापिका, सर्व शिक्षक, मुख्याध्यापक, त्याचप्रमाणे सर्व विद्यार्थी, सर्वांचं इथे मी अभिनंदन करते, कौतुक करते. जेवढा कार्यक्रम मी पाहिला तो खूप छान भारावून गेले मी, आणि मी मिस केलं असं वाटलं की मी पहिल्यापासून यायला पाहिजे होतं. इतकं सुंदर चित्रण, वर्णन आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर, म्हणजे रामायण पूर्ण आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर उभं राहिलं.
The formal event by expressing our gratitude and appreciation to everyone who contributed to the success of this event. I would like to thank the participants who worked hard to make this event rich and lovely, the awesome performers who were a part of this event, parents, your contribution was great, staff, teaching and non-teaching staff, the Thais, each and everyone worked hard and contributed towards the success of today's program. A special mention here to Sri Adav sir, who has been working behind the scene to prepare most of the props needed for today's event.